Hello everyone, in this video we can solve this PEMDAS question. What is the answer of this question? Many people solve this question by this wrong method. First they do parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis here 3 plus 2. Now we write 50 divide 2. Now here sign is times multiplication, then 3 plus 2 gives us 5. Then people doing multiplication before division, they do 2 times 5. 50 divide 2 times 5 gives us 10. Then 50 divide 10 gives us 5. But guys, believe me, this answer absolutely wrong because they didn't follow the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, where first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. In this expression, here is division, multiplication sign, inside the parenthesis addition. So the big mistake is here they didn't follow the PEMDAS rule. So now here we solve this PEMDAS question by right method. Now here we will try to solve this expression with right method. According to order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, first we do parenthesis because parenthesis is higher priority than other operations. So inside the parenthesis here is addition. Now instead of this expression we write here 50 divide 2 multiplications. Now 3 plus 2 gives us 5. Here division and multiplication signs one by one, but we note that in the PEMDAS multiplication and division always work from left to right. Same rule applies addition and subtraction. So here division is the first, then multiplication. So we go from left to right. Now 50 divided by 2 times 5. Here 2 table we use 1 and here is 2 and then is 5. It means 25 times 2 gives us 50. Now here 25 times 5 gives us final answer is 125. This is the right answer. Tell me in the comment section that what is your answer of this question. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.